Let's get real. So many people start self-improvement pumped and prepared, only to end up right back where they started. The truth, there are hidden mistakes that slowly destroy your routine, and if you don't catch them, you'll keep spinning your wheels forever. Mistake one, inconsistency. You skip just one day, just one, and soon it's two, then a week. Before you know it, your progress is buried under excuses. Here's the secret. It doesn't matter how small the step, just show up every single day. Consistency beats perfection, always. Mistake two, perfectionism. You're waiting for the perfect plan, the perfect moment to start, tweaking every detail to death. But perfection is a trap. It keeps you overthinking and stressed while life passes by. The truth, there's never a perfect time. Start rough, start messy, just start and improve as you go. Mistake three, overloading yourself. You want to change everything all at once, your body, your finances, your mindset. You try to become superhuman in one shot. But overload leads to burnout and quitting. Choose one thing, lock in, master it, then move to the next. Mistake four, ignoring your mental health. You convince yourself you'll rest when you're successful. But if your mind is foggy or burnt out, nothing will stick. Take care of your mental health. Rest is an investment, not a weakness. Mistake five, chasing shortcuts. Everyone wants the quick fix, the magic hack. But big goals require daily effort. No shortcut can replace the grind. Ready to break the cycle? Stop making excuses for these mistakes. Commit to consistency. Let go of perfection. Focus on progress, not overnight results. Drop a comment below. What's one mistake you're leaving behind today? Subscribe and let's build unstoppable routines together.